Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and protect your email using SPF DKIM DMARC, full guide step by step clearly. To download and protect your email using SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, begin by selecting your domain registrar or hosting provider. Log in to your account dashboard. Locate the DNS Management or DNS Settings section. Create a new TXT record for SPF. In the SPF record, specify your mail servers by typing v=SPF1 and then adding the IP addresses or domains allowed to send emails on behalf of your domain. Save the record and wait for DNS propagation. Next, set up DKIM by accessing your email provider's settings. Generate a DKIM key pair, usually provided in the email settings. Copy the public key for DKIM. Return to your DNS management and create another TXT record. In the new record, enter the DKIM selector followed by ._domain key and paste your public key. Save this DKIM record and confirm that it has propagated correctly. Now, we will configure DMARC for added protection. Create another TXT record in your DNS settings for DMARC. Set the record to v=DMARC1, p=none, rua=mail to your email at example.com. This policy will allow you to collect reports on email authentication without impacting email delivery. Once you've saved the DMARC record, check its propagation status. To verify your settings, use online SPF, DKIM, and DMARC lookup tools. These tools will confirm if your records are set up correctly. Regularly monitor your email to ensure that your domain remains protected. Make adjustments to your policies based on reports from your DMARC settings. By completing these steps, you will enhance your email security and protect your domain from spoofing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.